Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we're going to show you how to add items to your cart so that you can see what your cart page looks like as you work on your site. Let's go. So, on the Wix editor, click on Preview to enter your site's preview mode. Go to your shop page and then try selecting products that you'd like to add to your site. You'll notice that your side cart will open, showing you that your products have successfully been added to your cart. So, by the way, you can add as many as you need to. In case you want to delete a product, by the way, you can hit the delete button next to it. Once you're done adding some products to your cart, you can then go back to the editor. And now, whenever you go to your cart page by going to Pages and Menu, Store Pages, and Cart Page, you should see that your cart page is no longer empty and the items that you've added earlier will show up here, as well as here on your cart icon. And that's it. That's how you add products to your cart page while working on your site. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.